Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make thyme ginger tea. This is a very healthy drink and an immunity booster. Make it a practice to drink a cup of this healthy thyme ginger tea in the morning for best results. This helps in treating diabetics and lowers blood sugar levels. It also reduces inflammation and helps to treat insomnia. Very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add half teaspoon of dried thyme. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this add a piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We are not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this thyme ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the thyme has come together very well. Now off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the thyme ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in the empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this thyme ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.